Hello, and that's how to use built-in compass on Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So first of all, open up your settings. Now scroll down to your display section. In your display section, make sure to turn on your edge panels option. Now let's tap on the edge panels. Let's press on the panels. So here we are to choose from a few different variants such as apps, people, smart select, tasks, and tools. So now we gotta choose tools, press edit. Make sure to turn on your use location data option because your compass won't work without that. Now let's go back to our home screen. So simply find this little white stripe right at the edge of your screen, swipe it to the left side and you've got your compass opened. So at first we need to calibrate it. Let's press calibrate. We'll need to tilt and rotate our phone back and forth, just like this. Let's do this once again. Right, now our compass got calibrated, and as we see, it shows the direction where we are pointing our phone. Easy as that. If the compass becomes inaccurate, simply return to it and select calibrate and reset it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.